Guys, by the end of the video, you will be enabled to make a video like this.
India, give me Kashmir.
No, you will not get. Pakistan, take this.
China, help.
Now die, Pakistan.
You can't.
Now die. Guys, for making this video you have to go in Play Store and downloads Recorder, then download Super, then download World Provinces. If you will search for CapCut, it will show you that it is not available for your device. Now start VPN. Now you will find CapCut in Play Store because of VPN. Now start World Provinces. Now make new map. Now for example select Pakistan and set change provinces. And tap some parts of India. Now select India and tap on some parts of Pakistan. Now select China for help of Pakistan and tap on some parts of India. Now in the last select India on select change country. And click on China and Pakistan for ending them. Now end recording. Now start VPN again. Now make new project. Choose that file which you want and crop that file. Add text to the clip that you want. Now click on the text to speech and select a voice that you want for your video. Now cut the waste part of the video and then again repeat the same process, add text and make it to speech, then cut waste part again. And go in audio and then go in effect. And select a voice effect in fight section, mostly use the effect of big bomb explosion. Repeat all the steps again and again till the video is ready and completed. After completing the whole video, then just click on the export button and your video is now fully ready to use. Now enjoy with your video. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Thanks. Bye now, see you in the next video.